So we are back with another Oakley Meta glasses discussion here, and I want to talk to you guys about how it's been 1 week later with these Oakley Meta Houstons. And I have a couple takeaways right off the bat. If you follow the channel and you saw some of our other videos, you know we were kind of up in the air. I love Oakleys. I love the design language. I don't love how thick this frame is, and those thoughts have not changed over the last 7 days. I don't think the side arms are necessarily terrible. You gotta have that anticipation knowing that it's gonna be a little thicker than normal simply for all of the tech that's inside. However, the actual borders around the lenses kind of give it a little bit more of a goofy, clownish look, as some of the commenters have said. However, I still don't think they're terrible, but I'm not 100% on board. I think day to day, I probably would still go with the Ray-Ban collaborations instead of these. However, it's always going to be a personal preference. I think the biggest disappointment that I had was the 3K recording as opposed to what the 1080p recording looks like on these and on the Ray-Bans. It is very shocking how similar they are. If you zoom in and you really pixel peep, of course you'll see a difference. You're getting 3 times the resolution, right? However, if you're just uploading these to social or sharing them on your phone and even on a TV, there is a very minimal difference here, and that is the most disappointing piece of these glasses. They're meant to serve as more of an endurance, higher quality glasses. You're paying a premium price for them, but you're not getting that feature. The only thing I will say is that battery life does seem to hold on to being a little bit better than what the Ray-Bans were. However, double the battery life, I'm not seeing that. I don't think you're going to get 8 hours of consistent usage as they claim, but from a pure video quality standpoint, I'm just not sold on it. I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm really a little disappointed, but hopefully in the next couple of months with the new Gen 3 Ray-Ban Metas, they will bring 3K video recording as well and the battery life improvements to those frames. I'm sure we're going to see some new additions too, but you can keep in mind Wayfarers aren't going anywhere. That was the staple and original version that they came out with the initial collaboration. So I have a feeling they're going to be getting these features soon enough. Version 17 just rolled out. Not a lot of big improvements here. 16.1 rolled out as soon as we got these glasses. And again, just kind of meh. There are some nice features. It's more of a select target audience that they're getting, not the general public that'll use them as much as you would think. But software aside, it's the hardware I want to talk about. And again, just looking at these, I think they're great looking. I don't like the white frames though. I can get the idea. I don't even mind about the cutoff lenses, but there's just something about them that just doesn't say these are going to be the go-to. And I can't quite put my finger on it. I think it's just going to be the white frames. I think that's what's doing it for me. But what do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know. Is it just my opinion, or what do you guys think? I love how it's well designed. I love how they added the integration in the mics right in the Oakley's O logo right there. It's pretty sharp, pretty neat to see. But there are rumors, and I actually just got back from an Oakley store locally, that the next gen versions of the Oakley partnerships will be that rumor design we had forever, with the singular piece, the sportier look, with a single camera right in the nose piece. I'm not sure if he's just regurgitating rumors that he's heard, or that he knows something that we don't, and these are truly still in the pipeline for this year, he said. Also, if you do still like these HSTNs or Houston models here, in those other colorways, he did say by the end of August, they would be available. I want to say it was the 26, he said. Don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. But if you do still like the look, I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. I greatly appreciate you using them. You'll be able to get those other colors at Best Buy and at Oakley themselves, including in-store and online. So it's something to keep in mind. But aside from that, I've gotten mixed reviews. I've asked a ton of different people what they think about them. Some like them, some don't. I'm still kind of in between. I don't know. It's a weird one. Comment down below. Let me know, guys. I purchased these with my own money, so this isn't sponsored. I'm going to talk freely like I always do on this channel about my thoughts, and just not 100% sold on them yet. But let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.